Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Learning Made Easy. In today's session, I'm going to explain about Introduction to Maven and its installation process, part of Selenium tutorials. Let's get started. By end of this video, one can get an understanding on Introduction to Maven and its installation process. Introduction to Maven. Maven is a dependency management and build automation tool used primarily for Java-based projects. It is basically a Yiddish word. Yiddish is a German language meaning accumulator of knowledge. It is used for building and managing any Java-based project, as I just explained. It can also use for managing projects written in C Sharp, Ruby, Scala, and other languages. It is popular open source build tool used for enterprise-based Java projects. Maven project is hosted by Apache Software Foundation, where it was formerly part of the Jakarta project. What is the need for Maven tool? If there is a new release, the current version of Selenium server using was Selenium 3, and tomorrow if we have a new Selenium server version 4 that is available, then what need to be done was one need to download Selenium version 4 and we need to configure that again in Eclipse IDE. Likewise, in terms of browser drivers, we have updated our browser driver version to the latest one. The current version may not be supported to your latest version, which you have upgraded to. In all these cases, one need to download new versions and see if it is compatible with the latest browser version, also with the latest Selenium WebDriver. To avoid such kind of manual effort, Maven is used as a build and dependency management tool to allow such dependencies downloaded automatically and must have configured, which are also made available on your dev environment. Let's try to understand this using a simple example as follows. Why we need this Maven is, for instance, if we consider there are few team members, say the test automation developers D1, D2, D3, D4 and D5 are working in a testing team to develop automation scripts. The version of jar files used by a developer D1 should be consistent across all other developers too working in the same project. This is the diagrammatic illustration of what I am going to explain now. For instance, if the version of jar file used by developer D1 is different from the jar file used by developer D5 and both checked in their developer code, in this case, there is a mismatch here. If D5 has written some new code using latest version than developer D1, also all other developers not updated to the latest versions yet in their machines. In such cases, this results in rework for all other developers to check and update to the latest version in which the changes are done. In such instances, Maven is used as a dependency management tool to help manage dependencies automatically. Let us see the installation of Maven. In the installation process of Maven, let us try to understand how to set up Maven and see how it will help manage the dependencies. For this, Maven comes packaged by default with Eclipse IDE. To see this, you need to navigate to Window menu in Eclipse IDE and then select Preferences, and in the left menu you need to select Maven. So this is how we can see that the Maven is coming by default packaged with Eclipse IDE. If you are using Maven as a build tool, one need to set up this on your local machine. In Eclipse IDE, Maven is available by default, as I just shown here. To install Maven, we need to follow the below steps. You need to search in Google as download Maven. The search results are displayed. Now click on the first link from the search results. The link name says Maven download Apache Maven. Now navigate to the files section in the target page. Now click on the binary zip archive link. Now download the zipped file and save it onto your local machine. The downloaded file will be available in the downloads folder. Copy the downloaded file from the downloads folder to the C drive by creating a new folder, say named Maven. Now unzip it in the Maven folder and check whether the MVN file is available in the bin folder. To install Maven, follow the below steps. Now we need to set up Maven home. For that, copy the path till Maven 3.6.3 version which was downloaded now, that is the path just before the bin, and navigate to environment variables window from the advanced tab. In the environment variables window under system variables section, click on new, enter variable name as mvn underscore home and variable value as the copied path. Now we need to set up the path. For this, select path, click on edit, then new button, add percentile mvn underscore home percentile slash bin, or alternatively you can also copy the path till bin folder after Apache Maven 3.6.3. Now click on OK to add the path here. Now to verify whether Maven is set up, you need to open command prompt and use command mvn version so that it will fetches the Maven version that was installed on your machine. Let us try to understand using a practical demo. For this, as I just explained, you need to open, you need to navigate to the downloads folder as I just shown here. This is the zipped folder which I have downloaded already. You need to copy this into the C drive by creating a new folder Maven as I just told you. This is the zipped folder. Now we need to right click and unzip it using the extract here. I have already unzipped. You can see that the bin folder has the Maven file in it. Now come back and copy the path here to set up. Now right click on PC, go to properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variable. Under system variable section, you need to click on new and add home as mvn underscore home, variable name as mvn underscore home, and variable value as the copied path, and we need to click on OK. This I have already added here. We need to add this by copying the path before bin folder like we have added for Java home. Similarly, we need to set up the path here. For that, select the path, click on edit, now click on new, and we need to enter the value like this as I just shown explained here, like percentile mvn underscore home percentile slash bin. Alternatively, you can also choose to add the path like we have added for Java JDK bin till bin folder. After that, you need to click on OK and OK to add the path. Now to verify whether the Maven is installed or not, we need to open the command prompt and type the command mvn version. It will retrieve the Maven version, that is Apache Maven 3.6.3. That's it. This is how we can able to install the Java version, the Maven version successfully into our local machine. The useful URL links. These are some of the useful URL links. However, I will add it in the description. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.